Green Adelaide runs a Coastal Ambassador program, and we've got an adult component, and then we've also got a youth one as well.
The thing that makes me involved in this really cool events is that I'm really interested in local marine lives and what is happening right now and then what's going to happen in the future.
Yesterday we did talk a little bit about issues that are happening to the mangroves and to the world. A little bit later on we're going to jump on a bus, head down to Port Gawler to go snorkelling.
The highlight of the trip for me was probably snorkelling. I found it really cool to breathe underwater. It felt like I was a fish. Once I actually got down there, I realised how much I'm not seeing. Now that I was under there, I could spot lots of sea stars and small fishes swimming around.
The course has lots of practical elements, so it's about real life learning. It's the opportunity for them to immerse themselves in these things, so they're not just reading about it in a textbook or doing some research on it. It's about actually showing them what's in their local area, and so that they get to feel how special these places are.
Well, I learned a lot about the kelp. So we learned a lot about the golden kelp and how there was lots of them in the Great Southern Reef. And it was really interesting learning about how we have such an amazing and vibrant reef along our coastline that some people don't even realise is there.
I found the Ghana welcome to country and the knowledge really interesting. How they know what every tree, their medicinal properties and all the different animals and the seasons and stuff.
It was really cool because I've never seen a squid in my life. I didn't know that every time that it would eat, they would always thank it and talk about their spirits and to do with the animal and their soul.
As the spirit of that fish has given itself, for all of us. It's about how we manage those, what they call resources, to ensure that generations continue to live.
I think it was a great experience. I got to learn a bunch of new people and I got to find out different ways that I could impact and how I could use my skills and how I could raise awareness just with the things that I'm good at. But I think doing things like this is great because it gets the word out and then we can go and spread it to everyone else.
Even spreading it a little bit, telling my friends to be more conscious in the future so we can look after our environment better. I reckon we should be telling other people as well.
Just to consider the land, respect it. We're living on it, we're using it for a purpose. I don't think many people realise that the earth is a living thing too.
Doing things like this is great because it gets the word out and then we can go and spread it to everyone else.
I think that everyone should participate in this because not only it's going to help you in the future, but it's again a great experience and you've got so many opportunities to go out snorkeling and kayaking and going for walks and learning about the Aboriginal culture. It's great really, and being out in nature, it's awesome.